Welcome, today we're going to show you how to see how many hours you have played on Brawl Stars. So the first thing that you need to do is to open Brawl Stars game. As see from here, I already opened it. After you do that, your profile menu will be on the top left. You need to just click on it. And from here you will see your ID, so you need to just copy your ID. After that we will hop on another website so you can see how many hours you played into Brawl Stars. So as you see from here, I am on the browser. So you need to search for Brawl Time Ninja. After you do so, here's the website that will pop up for you. You need to just click on it. And now you need to write your ID from here. So as see from here, here's my ID. I just need to click on search. After you paste your ID from here, hit on search. And now it will tell you all your status. So as you see, I didn't play that much. It's just 1 hour or less. So here, if you played a lot, the hours or time spent in the game will be right here. So you can see how much hours you played the game. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next videos.